calm design.
There are stories that remain untold, emotions that words fail to express, and moments that shape who we are. Welcome to Tom's Deep Story, a place where feelings meet words, and silence speaks louder than sound. If you seek meaning, if you crave stories that touch the soul, then you're in the right place. Subscribe, turn on the notifications, and let's dive into the depths of life, one story at a time.
There is something deeply comforting about a home, not just as a shelter, but as a space that reflects who we are and who we are becoming. Our homes carry the quiet details of our days, a favorite cup, a folded blanket, the way sunlight lands on the floor in the afternoon. In this video, I'd love to walk with you through 7 soft and thoughtful decorating ideas, each one simple, but filled with intention. Whether you live in a spacious house or a tiny apartment, the feeling of home is something we create. With just a few gentle changes, we can soften our spaces, brighten the mood, and fill the air with a sense of calm. You don't need anything fancy. You just need time, care, and the desire to make your space truly yours. Each idea I'll share is meant to bring a sense of peace, a slower way of decorating, where every item tells a small story. These aren't trends or rules. They are invitations to listen to your space, to notice what feels right, and to trust your instincts. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll share a favorite trick of mine, a simple item that can instantly change how a small room feels. It's easy, beautiful, and endlessly useful. Let's explore together, gently, slowly, and with joy. There's something magical about bringing plants indoors. They don't speak, but they breathe. They don't move, yet somehow, they fill a room with life. A single plant near a window can soften hard corners, purify the air, and add quiet joy to your day. You don't need a jungle, even just one little pot can change the feeling of a room. Choose plants that fit your lifestyle. Maybe a trailing pothose, a low-maintenance snake plant, or a soft, leafy calathea. Let them live near sunlight. Let them grow with you. When you care for something living, you also care for yourself in return. Colors influence our emotions more than we realize. Bright colors can energize, but soft, neutral tones can calm. Think beige, ivory, oatmeal, pale gray. These quiet colors make a room feel open, airy, and restful. They leave space for your mind to breathe. Try layering tones in different textures. A cream throw on a white sofa, warm wood beside light linen, a soft rug beneath bare feet. Neutrals don't have to be boring. They simply whisper instead of shout, and in that quiet, something beautiful begins to grow. Lighting is the mood of the home. It tells our body when to rise, when to slow down, when to rest. Harsh overhead lights can make a room feel cold, while soft warm bulbs invite stillness. Try pendant lights, floor lamps, or even LED strips that glow softly at dusk. Place lights where they matter, over a reading chair, under a shelf, near your bedside. Let your home be lit like a poem, softly, slowly, with shadows that dance. You'll feel the difference, not just in the room, but in your body too. A wall can be more than just a backdrop. It can be a space where memories live, a quiet gallery of the things you love, the moments you cherish. Art doesn't need to be expensive. A simple black and white photo, a line drawing, or a page torn from a book can become something sacred when framed with care. Start small. 2 or 3 frames, thoughtfully placed. Let them grow slowly over time. You don't need symmetry, just feeling. This wall becomes a reflection of your inner life. Not perfect, not finished, but beautifully yours. In smaller spaces, flexibility is everything. Furniture that can adapt, fold, store, and transform becomes not just convenient, but essential. A bench that hides blankets. A table that becomes a shelf. A bed that disappears into the wall. These things make space for living. Minimal doesn't mean empty. It means everything you keep has meaning. When your space is filled only with what serves you, what brings joy or function, your home feels lighter, and so do you. Texture adds depth. It turns a flat space into something you can feel. Softness invites us to relax. Think woven cushions, wool throws, cotton blankets, and natural fiber rugs. It's not just what you see, but what you touch that makes a room feel alive. Let textures layer naturally, a heavy knit over smooth linen, rattan beside velvet, fluffy with structured. Play with contrast. Let your senses guide you. When your skin feels comfort, the whole body follows. A mirror, though simple, can be one of the most transformative things you place in a room. Not only does it reflect your image, it reflects light, movement, and mood. A large mirror in the right spot can make a room feel twice as big and twice as bright. Place it across from a window, where natural light pours in. Let it catch the green of a plant, or the warm glow of a lamp. Suddenly, your small space feels expansive, as though it's breathing with you. We've explored 7 gentle ideas, each one rooted in softness, ease, and quiet beauty. A plant that breathes, a tone that calms, a light that glows, a wall that remembers, a chair that hides, a cushion that comforts, a mirror that opens the room. You don't have to change everything at once. Just one small shift can change the mood of your day. Listen to what your home needs, and let it become your sanctuary, your rhythm, your retreat. Thank you for being here, for taking this slow journey with me through spaces and ideas. I hope you found something that inspires you, something soft and still and full of light. If this video brought peace to your day, I'd be honored if you subscribed or shared it. I'll be here again soon, with more ways to breathe life into your home and more quiet beauty to hold close.